Hi there, it's Ben Sanderson again. Thought I might show you the L-plate logbook that the students will be using at the start of next year, particularly the grade threes, but any new students, they'll also be using this as well as part of their inquiry. This is the way that we get the students to familiarise themselves with not only the Chromebooks, but cyber safety units, as well as the Badge Academy, which gives them the tools that they can use when using the G Suite apps. So first of all, we have the front page where we can see what they will be achieving in terms of their code of conduct, I guess, and this links with our user agreement. So they put their name, their grade, parents put their name and the student email address. And then down here, they'll be looking at certain aspects of their conduct, as I said. Going down, we can see that it's broken into weeks. So in week 1 of term 1, or whenever they happen to do the logbook, they have a learning experience, which is usually undertaken in the classroom by the teacher. It might be an independent or group work task, but it depends on the teacher, but that will be in the classroom. And then they have a homework task that they need to complete as consolidation for those learning experiences. So the learning experiences are in yellow and the homework tasks are in green. Adjacent to those, there's a space for student feedback where they can write a small reflection on what that learning experience or the homework task was like for them, any challenges or things that they learnt. And then the parents have a space to feedback once the students have spoken to them about those experiences. And then it's a simple matter of the parents typing in their name there. Hopefully that allows the students, or gives the students some sort of structure for feeding back to parents, but it also provides a bit of an incentive for parents to also inquire into the learning that's going on with the Chromebooks, just to keep them in the loop. So as we go through, you can see that there are a lot of learning experiences and homework tasks for each week. Then we get to the learning experiences which relate specifically to the Badge Academy, and you can see there that the criteria for those are listed, and the students are also working from a set of criteria on another document, which they mark off as achieved as they capture evidence of those skills. We also have a section for Chromebook care. So during the first 8 days, it's important that they've maintained those, so the foundation aspects of the user agreement. And once they've done that, they can proceed on through the logbook. And then there's just a number of different learning experiences, different badges that start appearing. And yeah, so it's a fairly comprehensive unit of work, and this normally lasts for a whole term. And at the end, once they've collected their evidence, they simply achieve their L plates, or they get their P plates at the end of the L plate logbook, and then they have a P plate logbook, and then a full digital license logbook. So just to emphasise the importance of the parent and student feedback, that's a really important part of the logbook process, so that that communication is there and everyone can see the learning that's occurring. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Hope that made that a little bit clearer for you.